Shri Gurubhyo Namah. Harihi Om. So, after seeing Jnana plus Su, Jnana plus Jnana plus Au, we have seen Jnana, Jnanam and Jnani. 1, 1, 2, 1. 1, 2, 2, 2. We have to see Jnana plus Jas. Jnana plus Jas. Chutu. Jnana plus As. Here you have Chutu. Chutu. Jnana plus As. At this point we have another sutra. Jashaso Hoshi. Jashaso Hoshi. Jashaso Hoshi. Jashaso, sixth case. She is first case. So the sutra says Jash or Shas gets she. When preceded by something or followed by something. So now we have when preceded by Napumsaka Anga. Napumsaka Anga when followed by Jash or Shas, you have she. That is what this sutra tells us. She is a Shit. Only E remains. Since it is Shit, Anekal Shit Sarvasya, it will replace the complete Jas or Shas, the complete As. Okay. Now we have next sutra. Shi Sarvanamasthānam. Shi Sarvanamasthānam. Shi Sarvanamasthānam. Napumsaka Anga, the sutra is same. Napumsaka Anga plus instead of Jash we have Shas. I'll remove this. Napumsaka Anga plus She. Plus she. So the she gets a Sarvanama Sthana Sanya. It's a name. Sarvanama Sthana is a name we give to the she. This Sarvanama Sthana is the name which we knew from another sutra. Sutra Sudanapumsakasya. Through the sutra Sut Anapumsakasya, we got the name Sarvanamasthana. Sut means Su, Out, just out. Sut. For Sut, we gave the name Sarvanamasthana. What kind of Sut? Anapumsaka Sut, which is not a Napumsaka Linga. We are seeing Napumsaka Linga here. So, in this, only she gets Sarvanamasthana. Okay? So, because of this, we gave Sarvanamasthana for this she. Next is Napumsakasya Jhalachaha. Napumsakasya Jhalachaha. Napumsakasya Jhalachaha. The sutra says Napumsakasya Jhal Achaha. Napumsakasya Jhal Achaha. Sixth case. Napumsakasya, sixth case. Jal Achaha is also sixth case. So the sutra says Napumsaka Jal or Ach. For that, what happened? Jal or Ach. No, Napumsaka Linga Jal or Ach. Anta Anga plus Sarvanamasthana. Sarvanamasthana. Then this gets num agama. Napumsaka jal or ach anta anga plus sarvanamasthana. Then this jal or ach anta anga will get num. This jal or ach anta anga will get num. Num is a agama. It is not adesha. Num is an agama. So it's an adjunct. Agama is adjunct. Where will this num come for jal and ach? In this place, for jnana we are going to bring, because it is ajanta anga. Where will this num come? Num is a nakara, ukara, makara. Makara halantyam. Ukara upadeshe ach anunasika it. Only nakara remains. Where will this nakara come? Since we have makara it, there is a sutra midachontyat paraha. Mit achaha antyat paraha. Anti achat paraha. So the last ach, jnana, there is one ach. Nya, there is one ach. Na, there is second ach. The last ach is a. So after the a of nakara, we will have this num. Jnana plus num plus as. Is it as? No, it is she, e. It is jnanan plus e. We have brought in 2-3 sutras. Napumsakasya jalachaha, then midachontyat paraha, then before that we had she sarvanamassthanam, etc. Okay? Jashashoho she sarvanamassthanam, napumsakasya jalachaha, midachontyat paraha. These are the sutras which came here to give you this form. Jnanan plus e. At this point, we have another sutra which we saw long back. Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddho. Sarvanamasthane cha sambuddha. When in Sarvanamasthane, seventh, when Sarvanamasthana follows and it is not a sambuddhi, it's sambuddhi bhinna, asambuddho, sambuddhi bhinna Sarvanamasthana. This is sambuddhi bhinna Sarvanamasthana. This is not sambodhana. So there, what happens? Upadha dirgha takes place. Upadha is acho alontyat purva upadha, antyat alaha purva upadha. So the akara gets a dirgha. Jnanan. Antya alat purva upadha. Jnanan plus e. Jnanani. Jnanani. So this is the form for 1-3 and 2-3. Jnanam jnane jnanani.
Jnanam jnane jnanani.
Jnanam jnane jnanani.
Jnanam jnane jnanani.
Twice. Jnanam jnane jnanani first case. Jnanam jnane jnanani second case. Then jnane jnanabhyam jnanehi. Jnanena jnanabhyam jnanehi, etc. Like the Pullinga Prayoga. So with this we come to the end of our Napumsakalinga also. But here there is one sutra. There is no sutra. In Sambodhana, he jnana, there, as in Rama, we will have to bring in the same engrasvat sambuddhehe. He jnana plus su, upadeshe ajanunasikete, he jnana plus sakara. Then engrasvat sambuddhehe, sakara gets dropped, he jnana. The rest will be like this. Jnana, he jnane, like in 1-2 and 2-2, and he jnanani, like 1-3 and 2-3. Same. So this is the form. Now with this we come to the end of the Napumsakalinga, but we are not over with the Subanta Prakriya, the verbal case, the nominal case. So we will have to Go to, see, till now we saw I undrul till this ach, till the ach part. Now we will have to go to the consonant part. Now the vowel part is over. Now we come to the consonant part. For consonant, the first word which is taken in Laghu Siddhanta Kaumudi is lih. There he introduces us to a root. Liha asvadani is the root there which we see. See, though we have been already introduced to a root, Ramu Kridaya, but here he introduced us to a root officially. Liha asvadani. To lick. Lick means to lick. So here liha asvadani. So in liha the akara is ucharanartha. So the usable portion is lich. The usable portion is lich. With this lich we are going to bring in the su etc. the nominal case endings. Now lich plus su. Lich plus sakara. Lich plus sakara. At this point we have one sutra. Hodaha.
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 Hodaha. Hakara, sixth case. Dhakara, first case. So what happens? The hakara gets dakara. What kind of hakara? Padanta. Padanta hakara gets dakara adesha. That's what this sutra says. So now the hakara is not in padanta. Is it in padanta? No. We have this sakara in padanta. So either you have to name this as pada and get this hakara as padanta, or you have to kick this sakara to make this hakara padanta. To make this hakara padanta hakara, you have two choices. Either you kick the sakara out, or you name this word, the anga, pada. If you make it pada, this will become padanta. Why I say this here is, this sakara will go here in this case. So this will become padanta. But in bhyam, bis, etc., you are going to name this as pada. Therefore, the hakara naturally becomes padanta. Okay? So, lih plus sakara. Now, we have hodaha, lih plus sakara. We have to remove this sakara. How do we remove this sakara? Hal jnabhyo dirgatsu tisi apriktam hal. Apriktam, aprikta ekal pratyaya. Ek al pratyaya is aprikta. This one al pratyaya. This is given the name aprikta. And we have hal. Hal ni abhyo dirgat. Followed by that, when su ti si is there, then that gets lup. Now hal is there. Followed by that, the sakara gets a lup. So we have lich. And for this lich, with this hodaha, we bring in dhakara. Dhakara. Lid. At this point, there is one sutra. This is in padanta. This is in padanta, anta. And this is jhal. So, sutra is jhalam jashonte. Jhalam jashonte makes it jash. Jash means ja, ba, ga, da, da. So for ja, bha, gha, dha, dha, you have this. We have dakara. So we change it with dakara, lid. Now at this point we have another sutra, bhavasane, which gives you a choice. You can have it as lit or lid. Like in Ramat, Ramad, I am not going into all this because we have already seen. Ramat, Ramad, we got two forms because of Jhalam Jashonte, Bhavasane, two sutras. So those sutras will come here. Lihu plus Su, Lih plus Sakara, Upadesha Janunasikaita, Lih plus Sakara. Then we have Lih, Halnyabhyo Dirgha Sutrisya Pratam Hal, Sakara goes, Lih, Hodaha, it becomes Lid. Then Jhalam Jashonte, we have Lid. Then Bhavasane, Lid, two forms. This is Lid, not Ling. Two forms. Now, the rest of the other, which is O, etc., is very easy. When you have a consonant followed by a vowel, then there is a root. Ajhinam parena sanyojyam. You have to add, concat the vowel which is following a consonant. So, lihau. There is no other job here. Ajhinam parena sanyojyam lihau, over. Now, lih plus su au jas. Here, chutu as. So, we have lih plus as, lihas. At this point, we have sasal shurhu, Kharavasaniyor Visarjaniyaha, Lihaha. Lih plus Lih plus you change this with Lih plus Hakara and Akara, they concat, and you have Liham. Lih plus Au, Lihau. Lih plus Su au just out Shas. Here instead of us, you have Shas. Lih plus Shas, Lih plus As. Again Lashakva Tadhite. There, Jas, Chutu. Here, Lashakva Tadhite. So, you have Lih plus As, Lihas, Lihaha, Lihaha. Okay? Now, then, Lih plus Ta. Chutu, Lih plus A, Liha. Just have to add Liha. Then we have Lih plus Bhyam. Lih plus Bhyam. Here we have one special sutra, because Lih plus Bhyam, we have to make this Lid Bhyam, but we cannot remove this. So we have one sutra, Swadishu Asarvanama Sthane. Because of this sutra, Asarvana Sthana, this becomes a Pada. This gets Pada Sanya. Since this gets Pada Sanya and Hakara is in the end of the Pada, therefore Hodaha. Hodaha comes and says Lid Bhyam. Now, since this is still in Pada, Padanta, we can bring in Jhalam Jashonte. So it becomes a Lid Bhyam. Okay? Lih, this gets a Pada Sanya. Hakara is end of Pada. Padanta. Padanta Hakara becomes a Dhakara because of Hodaha. Lid plus Bhyam. Now since this is still in Padanta, we have Jhalam Jashonte. Jhal is in the end. Anta. Therefore, it becomes a Jash. Lid Bhyam. Lid plus, same way. Lih plus Bis. Lih plus Lid plus Lid plus Bis. Lid plus Bis. Lid Bihi. Sarshashuru Karavasara Visarjaniya. There is no other sutras. Lid Bihi. Then Lih plus now we have 4-1. 4-1 is Nye. Nye Bhyam Bhyas. There is no special sutra significance here. Just you have to strip it with all the other sutras. the pratyaya which is coming, the suffixes which is coming, we have to strip it with Rashakvata, Dede, Chutu, etc. The pratyaya sutras and make it bare minimum. Like here, lich plus nge, Rashakvata, Dite, ye, lich plus a, lihe, lihe, lid bhyam, lid bhyah. Then ngasi, lich plus ngasi, lih plus ngasi, it becomes as. How? Lashakottatite upadeshya janunasika it, lih plus as lihaha, lihasa sasharu karavasana visarjaniyaha lihaha. Okay, lih plus nas, lihaha lid bhyam lid bhyah, that is over. Lih plus nas, sixth is lih plus nas, nas lashakvata dite, lih plus as lihaha. Then 6-2, lih plus os, again add this lihos, sashashuru karasara visarjaniyaha liho. There is no change. Then lih plus arm, lih plus arm, instead of this you have arm, lih plus arm, just add it liham, lih plus os lihoho, lih plus su, here we will have little changes. Lih plus su, lih plus sup, halantyam, lih plus su. At this point we have the sutras, this is padanta, therefore lid plus hodaha, lid plus su, hodaha, lid plus su. Okay, then jhalam jashonte, lid plus su. Okay, now khar follows. It's not vavasani, it's not anta. So khar follows. When followed by khar, kharicha, we have lit plus su. Dakara becomes takara, lit su. At this point there will be dahasi, dhut, etc., which will bring in dhut, dhakara here, to bring in different forms. First we will have add this lit su. This is one workable form. Dasi dhut, if it comes, then it will add lit plus dhakara plus su. This becomes takara finally, and you will have lit su. This is not necessary. Lit su is not necessary. Forget it. Lit su. These are the different forms which you will have for the lit. The other in this group will be similar. We'll see. Lit, lihau, lihaha. Liham, lihau, lihaha. Liha, lit, bhyam, lit, bihi. Lihe, lit, bhyam, lit, bhyaha. Lihaha, lit, bhyam, lit, bhyaha. Lihaha, lihoho, liham. Lihe, lihi, lihoho, litsu. He lit, he liho, he lihaha. That's all. We'll see. Harihi Om.